The vast oceans cover more than 70% of our planet, and they serve as the lifeblood of global trade. Every day, countless ships traverse these waters, transporting an incredible variety of cargo. Let's dive into the main types of cargo transported by sea, the specialized ships that carry them, and why this is crucial for our economy. First up, we have containerized cargo. This is perhaps the most recognizable type of cargo, as it's transported in large, standardized containers. These containers can hold anything from electronics to clothing. The ships designed for this purpose are called container ships. They are marvels of engineering, often stretching over 1,000 feet long, and capable of carrying thousands of containers at once. The efficiency of container shipping has revolutionized global trade, allowing goods to be transported quickly and cost-effectively across oceans. Next, let's talk about bulk cargo. This includes raw materials like coal, grain, and minerals. Bulk carriers are the ships that handle this type of cargo. They have large, open holds that can be filled directly with the material, making them ideal for transporting heavy, loose items. Bulk shipping is essential for industries worldwide, as it supplies the raw materials needed for manufacturing and energy production. Then we have liquid cargo, primarily transported in tankers. This category includes oil, chemicals, and liquefied natural gas. Tankers are specially designed with double hulls for safety, minimizing the risk of spills. The importance of liquid cargo cannot be overstated as it fuels our cars, heats our homes, and powers industries. The global economy relies heavily on these shipments, making tankers a critical component of maritime trade. Another significant type of cargo is roll-on-is-roll-off, or RoRo cargo. This includes vehicles and heavy machinery that can be driven on and off the ship. RoRo vessels are designed with ramps, allowing for quick loading and unloading. This type of shipping is vital for the automotive industry, ensuring that cars and trucks can be transported efficiently from manufacturers to markets around the world. Lastly, let's not forget about specialized cargo, which includes everything from oversized machinery to delicate items like artwork. These shipments often require custom solutions, and the ships that carry them are equipped with specialized equipment. The transport of specialized cargo is crucial for various sectors, including construction, art, and technology, ensuring that unique items reach their destinations safely. In conclusion, the types of cargo transported by sea are diverse and essential for global trade. From container ships to tankers, each vessel plays a vital role in connecting economies and facilitating commerce. Understanding these different types of cargo and their specialized ships not only highlights the complexity of maritime logistics, but also underscores the importance of the shipping industry in our daily lives. The next time you see a ship on the horizon, remember the incredible journey it represents and the vital role it plays in keeping our world connected.